even in the interaction you saw right now,
Yeah.
there is some very interesting questions.
Yeah.
And I think that's the important trait people need to have, to question things, develop that approach of being open and, to learn.
Yeah.
And that curiosity, intellectual curiosity was there in this group, and that's really a great quality to have. Yeah, so one of the things that impresses us about Dr. Pachpande and his team is their willingness to experiment very quickly and, kind of seize on opportunities in technology and otherwise, partnerships that they can quickly leverage and then take it to their students. That kind of quick response, and adaptiveness is not very common in many other schools. And I think that's probably a distinguishing hallmark of ASM.